Welcome to Learning with Lewis, some MarcEdit basics. This tutorial is going to show you how to use MarcEdit to check the file before loading it, add a call number field, and prepend your EasyProxy prefix to the 856 field. I've already found my EasyProxy prefix and copied it where it's easy to get to. I've set up a folder for Marc records. That's my single destination folder that's easy to find, and I have MarcEdit ready to go. To start MarcEdit, I'm going to double-click the icon, and I'm going to select Marc Tools. Now, I want to make sure that Marc Breaker is my selected function because first I need to break the file to make it human readable. I'm going to find the file that I downloaded from the vendor and put that in my input file, and then I'm going to name a destination file GVRL edit because this is the file I will edit. Then I'm going to click Execute. Once that's done, the Edit Records button will display, and I'll click Edit Records. This is to view the records whether I need to edit them or not. The first thing I'm going to look for is possible title control sources. Now, I see that Gale includes an 001 with a unique key. I also see there's an 020 and there's an OCLC 035. So I'm going to jot those down as possible title control sources. I also see that my available online call number is missing from the 099 and that the 856 does not contain my EasyProxy prefix, so I'm going to make edits to those two things. First of all, I'm going to add my call number using the Add Field tool. I'm going to go to Tools, Add Delete Field. I'm going to enter 099 as my field number. I'm going to add my indicators and my subfield and type Available Online. I make sure that my spelling's correct, and once I see it's correct, I say Add Field. And I see that 267 fields were added. So I know that that's correct because that's the number of records in my file. Click OK, and then I'm going to close this tool because I don't need to add any more fields. Now I'm going to use the Edit Subfield Data tool to edit my 856 field. I'm going to put 856 as my field number. The URL is located in subfield U, so I'll type U here. Then I'm going to type #B or lowercase b to tell it to prepend to the beginning of the line. Now I'm going to get my EasyProxy prefix. Then I'm going to copy and paste it into the Replace With field, and then I'm going to click Replace Text. It's going to ask me if I want to continue, and I'm going to say yes. Then it tells me 267 modifications were made. Click OK and close. Now I'm going to give the file a quick glance to make sure that my fields were added in the appropriate location, and I see that they were. So I'm good. Now I need to remake my file. To do that, I'm going to go to File, Compile File into Marc, and I'm going to save this as GVRL-edited. So I know that this is the file I need to use, and click Save. Now my file is ready to load when it's time for the bib load process.